So here we are, Friday, August 16th, 2024. Yesterday, well, for the last couple days, I've been dealing with this door jamb. This door has never been right since we moved in 8 years ago, and wait, that's locked. It never latched very good. The deadbolt wasn't usable because the door was low, the jamb was high, so the hole didn't line up for the deadbolt to go in there. So yesterday, I basically took the whole frame out, cleaned the sill off, caulked that in with some black caulk, and lowered this side of the jamb down so that the door shuts now, and you can, well, you got to pull on it a little bit because there it goes. Well, it does work, I think. What the hell? Lock locks, and then if I pull this, hang on. Why isn't that working now? Damn it. Oh. Gotta go up just a little bit. I might have to shim the bottom over here just to get that up a tiny little bit. But there it goes. Deadbolt works now. Never worked before. 8 years. Never been able to lock this door or get it to shut like that without slamming it 20 times, because all this was broken. All the edges of the door were broken, and so you couldn't get that to shut. There it goes. So now, yeah, it's all caulked in at the bottom, completely caulked. I got to fill in a little bit around the edges here. You can still see some light out there. So we're going to caulk all that, fill all that in, and get the trim on there and finish this door up so it actually closes now and is sealed. So when the wind's blowing against there, water used to come flooding in here underneath the door and run down the side of the building and blow in underneath the threshold. So not anymore.